back with another video. It has been like 10 days, I think. Yeah, I think 10 days since I've uploaded a video. Finally got a chance. Today is another movie run, and I'll be watching Tron Ares. Every biker's favorite genre. I loved the last one, Tron Legacy. Everybody loved the last one. Really happy we're getting another one. And I'm headed towards West End Mall, which is in Ond. 34 minutes and 16 kilometers. The time is 9:48. Movie is at 10:55. So I have plenty of time. No need to rush at all. This sort of series that I'm posting now, the movie run ones, they don't get any views because it's a completely different thing. I personally haven't seen anything जैसे मूवी रन करके गोइंग फॉर मूवी ब्लॉग. लाइक आई सेड, मैं ऐसे ही अपने लिए बना रहा हूँ. आई डोंट केयर अबाउट व्यूज़ एंड ऑल और सब्सक्राइबर्स. लोग देखेंगे तो देखेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं. क्या ही जा रहा है.
चल झूठा.
लाइक द लास्ट वीडियो गॉट 300 व्यूज़. I can just again post this video titled with a thumbnail Pune Night Ride and expect another 300 views. But that's not the agenda of this video. Now I'm going for a movie, that's the title. So I don't care. And if I want to make more videos now, I don't even have to go out of my home. I have like products which I can review for you guys, which I have been using for quite a long time. My helmet, the Exo Venomous one, my jacket, the Rhinox jacket, the gloves, my camera. Like I haven't completely used all the features yet, but still I can give you a brief experience, share my experience with the camera. And after some time, I can also review this helmet, the Exo, the KYT TT Revo. Yep, I have a new helmet. This is for 8,500. I have installed Iridium Red visor, the Pinlock 70. It doesn't come with a Pinlock, pre-installed. You have to install it later on. The Pinlock costed me 2,800. The visor costed me 1,900. So I was saying, the visor costed me 1,900, the Pinlock costed me 2,800. So the total comes around 14,000. Plus I have installed anti-scratch film on the visor, which was around 500, I think. Yeah. So including all the accessories, the helmet costed me around 15,000. Like I said, I have been planning for a long ride with my friends. So luggage भी लेना था. So I have purchased the luggage as well. The Vitara Claw Pro, which is 64 liters. अभी Great India Festival चल रहा है Amazon पे. So I thought why not Amazon से ले लें. Plus a tank bag, the Ace Universal I think, which is 6 liters. And I took a smaller one. I could have gotten a 22 liter one, which was around like the same price for some reason. But मेरे टैंक पे it would be too huge. Like I won't be able to tuck in and all. So I took the smaller one, which makes sense for me. Like पीछे I have 64 liters and the tank में 6 liters. So 70 liters in total, which is more than enough for a like 1 month ride. Obviously I won't be going for a 1 month long ride. It's going to be like 3-4 days only. So more than enough. It's arriving tomorrow. So yeah, another product which I can review, the bag and the tank bag separately. So I have a lot of content which I can film. And yeah, another thing, I've also bought myself a pair of riding pants, the Air GT pants, that is currently going for 6150. So I've got those, and the only thing left for me to buy now are boots and an intercom for my helmet. Yeah, intercom, yeah. I've gotten so used to like listening to music and easily picking up my calls while on the go now. Like, it's so much easier. Like I said, जो एक लास्ट वीडियो मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया था लेकिन अभी तक पोस्ट नहीं किया. In that I went for a ride with my friend, and he has the same Bluetooth device which I had gotten. Like I said, I had bought it with him only together. So he had one. So वो गाना वाना सुन के जा रहा था. Otherwise, जब हम साथ में रहते, we usually stay on call for safety reasons and all, and to communicate अगर आगे पीछे हो गए. That's so much easy, dude. So I missed out, and I have to buy one. So I'm confused between getting a proper intercom or just a simple Bluetooth device, because उतने riders हैं नहीं group में. Like I don't even have a group. Just 2-3 friends जो ऐसे कभी कभी राइड्स पे चल देते हैं. तो प्रॉपर इंटरकॉम का मुझे नीड नहीं है. लेकिन अब लाइक आई हैव बॉट अ ऐसे गुड इनफ हेलमेट. सो अगर ले भी लूँगा सो इट वोंट बी कॉल्ड अ वेस्ट. इज देयर अ सिग्नल? हाउ आर यू सपोज टू क्रॉस? देयर इज अ सिग्नल. या सो whether I should get a proper intercom or a Bluetooth device. Well, in the end, it all comes down to the budget, and I don't have a budget, a set budget. I can spend like up to 10,000. बोलने में भी सही नहीं लगा. But there are people spending like 50,000, 60,000 on cardos. मुझे क्या ही रिकॉर्ड है यार. I have kept in mind the Blue Armor C20, which is going for 7,999. And Bluetooth तो कोई भी एक देख लेंगे. I want a simple looking one, completely black. Let me give you my before watching the movie thoughts. Like, I'm not keeping any high or low hopes for the movie. I have heard some reviews though कि it's not that good. The soundtrack is nice. The soundtrack is by Nine Inch Nails, and the movie is not that good. That's what I have heard in the reviews. तो देख के पता चलेगा. And लाइट साइकिल से याद आया, दिवाली आ रही है. So should I add some LEDs to my bike, like on the underbelly na? That will look cool. Oh shit. Oh. Yeah. So I think I should add some LEDs. It's not illegal, na? I'll have to check. Yeah, the same route आ गया. I couldn't talk. Shit. Ah. Oh, that was close. भाई ने देखा ही नहीं राइट में, dude. He kept going straight. He was on the extreme left. No entry, okay. मॉल एंट्री, ओके. यहीं कर देते हैं. फोटो भी ले लेंगे जस्ट इन केस, यू नेवर नो. How's the helmet looking, by the way? मॉल में दिखाता हूँ. Let me stop recording.
2,000 years later.
Back on the road. The movie was absolutely beautiful. What an experience, like, what an experience. I loved it. Quite simply loved it. Nothing else to add. I'm not sure why the reviews were so mediocre, you know. Story was great. I think like people could ज़्यादा expect कर रहे थे movie से, I think. I saw it in IMAX 3D. Personally, I think that's the best format to watch it in. Not good, not good. This is literally just smoke from burning rubber and stuff here, dude. Somebody. Let's go. Woo! We are still in the smoke crowd. What? You can do that. Imagine roads being this empty during daytime. So I'll be ending the video now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you soon. Hopefully very soon. Bye bye.